And after the massive train tragedy that claimed lives of at least 9 people, sources are indicating that the shocking accident took place because of human error. The automatic signalling system between Ranipatra railway station and Chattarhat junction in West Bengal was defective since 5:50 a.m. on the 17th of June, the day the accident took place. Now, due to this, the Kanchenjunga Express was given permission at around 8:20 a.m. to cross all the red signals at a slower speed between the said stations. Well, the most shocking part here is that the goods train was given the same instructions to cross all the 9 red signals at 8:35 a.m. That means both the trains were running on the same track within the time gap of just 15 minutes. The station master's decision also to issue the direction is under investigation, as he may have mistakenly believed the track was clear. Rajesh is in fact getting us more details on that story. Rajesh, from the very beginning, railway authorities, the CPRO and the chairperson of the railway board had indicated that there is a high chance of human error, and that's the reason why this accident has taken place. It's becoming clearer now, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. That this particular issue was completely denied by the local CPRO when we asked him that issue yesterday. Then finally, he has confirmed that there was a human error and the automatic signaling system wasn't working properly since early morning yesterday, and that was conveyed to the both of the loco pilot of the goods train and also the pilot of Kanchenjunga Express. But as per the railway officials, that instruction wasn't followed properly by the loco pilot of goods train. So perhaps for his negligence that accident took place yesterday near New Jalpaiguri station, and that is being investigated by the Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety. There are a few aspects which needs to be investigated, and for this investigation, the Chief Commissioner of Railway Safety will hold a statutory meeting on the chamber of DRM of New Jalpaiguri station after 10 of this morning. And after this, once the investigation is completed, then the official reason, the reason behind this accident will be announced on behalf of Indian Railways. Yeah.
You know, Rajesh, I'm going to ask you to be with us, continue to be with us. In fact, we'll come back to you for more on that. Tell our viewers about the signal failure or human error, which it appears to be the case and the reason really behind this accident. The automatic signaling system was down essentially at this point in time, and this information was available early in the morning. Defunct signals between the Ranipatra and Chattar stations. This was what was found. At about 8:20 a.m., the express train was authorized to cross the red signals. Just 15 minutes later, the goods train, the freight train, was also authorized to cross the same red signals. Goods train loco pilot had permit to cross 9 red signals. And that's the reason why this accident took place. Essentially, they were running on the same track within a difference of just 15 minutes. To tell our viewers what happens if the auto signal system fails. The permission is given to cross the red signals at specific seats. And this exactly is what happened here in this case. One train to cross the defunct signal at a particular time. No other train can access the same track simultaneously. This exactly is what has happened in this case. Speed limit should be, in fact, as authorized, about 15 kilometers per hour during daytime. Speed limit in the case of this situation should be 10 kilometers per hour at night time. 15 minutes gap between 2 trains on the same track is what was supposed to be maintained. However, massive politics is taking place over the train tragedy in Bengal. The opposition is training guns on the railway mantri, Ashwini Vaishnav, and also the Modi government, seeking answers, and rightfully so. With the India bloc intensifying their attacks, demanding Vaishnav's resignation as the railway minister and upping the ante, from Congress to TMC to Uddhav Sena to RJD. Each opposition party has started questioning the centre. Here's a report.
Deadly tragedy on the tracks again. The impact so strong that the coaches were thrown several feet up in the air. At least 9 people died and over 30 injured after an overspeeding goods train rammed into a stationed express train in Bengal, Siliguri. The loco-pilot of the goods train, his assistant and the guard of the passenger train are among the 9 victims.
जब घटना घटा तब आप कहाँ थे? ट्रेन के अंदर?
मैं ट्रेन के अंदर था।
तो क्या आवाज कैसा आया आपको?
आवाज मतलब मेरा तो B1 कुछ था, बहुत जोर से मतलब झटका दिया है। तो जैसे झटका दिया तो सब ऐसे बोल रहा था कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया, हम भी चिल्ला रहा था, सब रो रहा था। फिर हम तुरंत बाहर आके देखा कि यहाँ पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ट्रेन का।
The goods train that collided had reportedly overshot a signal. The impact derailed the last 3 coaches of the express train.
ये ट्रेन अगरतला से सियालदा के लिए जा रही थी और इसका पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, कोलिजन हुआ है एक गुड्स ट्रेन के द्वारा। प्रारंभिक इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से ऐसा लग रहा है कि गुड्स ट्रेन के ड्राइवर ने सिग्नल को डिसरिगार्ड किया है और रियर एंड से कंचनजंगा को हिट किया है।
The crash prima facie suggests human error as the cause of deadly accident.
So there are 2 desks, this one by the administration of the railways and the other one is by the police, which is constantly doing the rounds. People are coming, people are inquiring. Ex-gratia amounts have been given out by the state government of Tripura, the railways and the Prime Minister's office as well.
From Congress to Uddhav Thackeray to TMC, the opposition has been training guns on Ashwini Vaishnav, demanding his resignation as Rail Mantri. Bengal Chief Minister criticized centre and termed rail accidents in last decade as mismanagement by the Modi government.
This government is careful only to take so many measures about the election, how to go for hacking. Is it not the mockery? I think they should give more time for the governance, not for utterance.
Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav urged opposition netas to stop politicizing the issue.
ये पॉलिटिक्स का समय नहीं है, अभी सारा फोकस होना चाहिए रेस्क्यू और रेस्टोरेशन पे। पैसेंजर सेफ्टी के लिए बहुत बड़ा फोकस है।
India witnessed a series of unfortunate train accidents over the last year. It is time to put safety first. With Surya Agni Roy in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.